Welcome to part 2 of 3-part tutorial on how I made this vintage inspired dress for Valentine's Day. On this part, I will be covering the making of this bodice. I had a pattern piece for the bodice to begin with, but I changed the neckline to make it look like a sweet heart. If you would like a simple way to change the neckline on any bodice, just let me know in the comments and I will make a video on how I hack it without any fashion education. After cutting the bodice pieces, I'm going to mark the darts and sew it together. Then I'm going to try to make the shoulder patch for the embroidery design to fit on the top of the bodice shoulder. But since it's the first time I ever tried this, I had to remind myself it can't and won't be identical, and to just move on since this process took me a week of preparing myself mentally to cut, but the actual cutting was like 30 minutes. Then I prepared the back and front facing. Now I made a mistake of attaching the bodice back and front together before attaching the embroidery patch. So I had to pick them apart, top stitch the embroidery patch, and then attach the back and front bodice at the shoulder. That's it for the bodice part. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and the next part is going to be the sleeves and the final dress. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my chaotic sewing attempts. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!